In this video, I will cover generating travel time data that has been captured from your in-time cameras in the field. I'll start out by clicking the In-Time button from the InTraffic Central Command Console. Initially, you'll see a fairly blank page with some fields on the left side. I'll use these fields to define which travel times are displayed. So let's start by selecting the management group that contains your in-time cameras. For this exercise, I'm going to select the Travel Time Management group from the Management Group list box. I will then select the configuration that contains the in-time cameras. In this case, I'm going to select the eastbound configuration. As you can see, only intersections that are a part of the eastbound configuration display on the map. Next, I need to select the coordination path for this travel time report. This coordination path defines the direction of travel for vehicles moving through the intersections. For example, I want to view travel times for vehicles driving on Mills Civic Parkway between 64th Street and South Prairie View Drive. So I'll select the 64th Street and Mills Civic Parkway to South Prairie View and Mills Civic Parkway path. For the next step, I'll define the starting and ending intersections for the travel time report. Notice that these fields are completed for you with the starting intersection at 64th Street and the ending intersection at South Prairie Drive. However, if I want to see travel times between two different intersections, I can specify those intersections here. For the purposes of this demonstration, though, I want to see travel times between all the intersections, so I'm going to leave these fields alone. After defining the path, I'll move down to the date selection fields. For this example, I want to see travel times between the hours of 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. on Monday through Friday of the week of April 25th. So I'll click the Start Date field, and I can select from the calendar or simply type in the date in the field. I'll go ahead and enter April 25th, 2016. In the End Date field, I'll type April 30th, 2016. Before I define the starting and ending times for the travel time report, it is important to note that these fields follow a 24-hour military time format. So if you want to specify that you want data to display starting at 5 p.m., you'd want to enter 1700 in the Start Time field. For this example, I want to display travel times for the morning rush hour. So in the Start Time field, I'll click in the field and use the arrow buttons to select 6. In the End Time field, I'll select 9. Average travel times between each intersection for that time period automatically display on the map. The total travel time between the starting and ending intersection displays at the top of the map. So there you have it. You can now see the average total travel time for vehicles traveling along this roadway and the average time between each individual intersection. This completes our training for the in-time travel time measurement system. I hope you learned some useful tips that will jumpstart you towards quickly getting up and running with the in-time system. Thank you for watching.